Good morning, G3. Welcome on Friday, the last day and the last Friday this school year. So I hope you still have some energy to complete the tasks, and actually they are the last standard tasks this school year, because on Monday and Tuesday the task will look a bit differently, as we are going to revise the stuff that you have learned in G3, and we are going to have a bit different lessons. So for today, during the online lesson, we are having maths. So I would like you to get ready and take the math riddles you were asked to complete yesterday, as we are going to check your answers. And what's more, we are going to revise fractions. So I would like you to have your math notebooks with you, please. And the next task for you is we continue watching G5 videos, G5's exhibition. So there are 4 more tasks to watch. Franex about sport, it's positives and negatives. Hannah and Nina about mobiles, and James about grass-fed beef and industrial beef, and Mikołaj's about our impact on ecosystems and organizations that may help the ecosystems. And one task to be done individually, which is reading comprehension. So you've got a choice, okay? So on Google Drive, you will find a text about the amusement park and also about the camping trip. So the camping trip is a bit easier, okay? So amusement park is like a standard G3 level, and camping trip is a bit easier if you feel that the text about amusement park is a bit challenging, too challenging for you, okay? Because it needs to be a bit challenging. So I think that it's nice if you start reading the amusement park and you feel like, okay, it's a bit too much for me, then you just leave the amusement park reading and you go for the camping trip reading. We will check the answers during our Monday online lesson, so you can send me the photos, but it's not necessary as long as we are meeting to check the answers on Monday. So see you at 10:30. I hope you will enjoy the exhibition videos. They are really cool, and the G5s did great job. So enjoy them and see you at 10:30. Don't forget your math notebooks, okay? So see you then.